In this video, we're going to sublimate on puzzles, and I'm going to make a little puzzle bag to match it so that when they put it together, they know what it's going to look like. So I bought this assortment of cute little puzzles. They were a 10-pack on Amazon, and I'll put the link for these below. And then I got a 12-pack of these little tiny cases, zipper cases. I guess you'd call them a pencil case. I think they're a little small for a pencil case, but they're all sublimation ready. Here are the designs I chose for this puzzle. I'm actually doing two of the same for two of my granddaughters. So I did find this background, the red and the black with the hearts. That is a digital background, and that is from Creative Fabrica. And then the gnomes are also a separate image in Creative Fabrica. I have a yearly membership to Creative Fabrica, and I absolutely love it because it comes with all the licenses so that you can sell and you don't have to worry about it, and it's saved in your downloads. Now you can see on the right that I have covered one of the images now with the puzzle, and I'm leaving the cardboard on the back of the puzzle so that when I tape it, it actually holds it in place. And I do my designing in Microsoft Word. I have other videos on my YouTube channel showing how I do that. Now you can see that I've set my press to 385 degrees for 45 seconds. These are just cardboard puzzles, and so I wanted to go a little bit longer on these, but I like the 385. It does a really good job. Now you're going to want to put protective paper down, so I actually have a pressing pillow on my press, and then I have protective paper over that, and then you can see I have put the puzzle down with the face of the puzzle up and the image facing down on the puzzle. And then on the right you can see that I've covered it with protective paper again so that the top of my press doesn't get dirty from this either. I use non-wax parchment paper. People like butcher paper. You can use whatever. You can actually use copy paper for this. It works just as good. So this is right after I pressed it. I took the paper off, and I'm really happy. It turned out really good. Again, this was 385 degrees for 45 seconds in my HTV Ront auto press. So with any puzzle, you want to see the image that you're going to be putting together. So I'm going to put this on these little bags, and so I made the puzzle, the image smaller so that it fits on this puzzle bag. So what I did was I measured the bag, printed the image smaller, and then I took a lint roller to the bag. And I don't typically tape my image down, but for these I am taping because they have a zipper on them. And I just want to be able to position this bag in the press with the zipper hanging off the side. And because this is 100% polyester and it is cloth, I'm going to drop my time down to 35 seconds. I'm going to stick with the 385 degrees Fahrenheit, but I'm dropping it down to 35 seconds for this press. And so after I have put my protective paper on, and you can see on the right that I have it on top of my press pad, and then I have a pressing pillow on top of that, and I've got this in my press with the zipper sticking out, because if the zipper is inside, you're not going to get an even pressure. So I've got it hanging out just enough that the plates close and give it some good pressure, but are not hitting the zipper. Having that zipper sticking out the side of the press was perfect. That way I got a good pressure on it, and as you can see, the image sublimated perfectly. Then I started taking apart the puzzle very carefully because these are, just cut out, and I didn't want my grandkids to just start ripping at them. I might rip the picture. So I did take them apart, and then I stuck them in the bag, and I think it turned out perfectly. I'm really happy with it. I'll put the links below for where I've got these sublimation ready puzzles and bags. and a link to Creative Fabrica as well. I hope you enjoyed this video and have a great day.